Adjectives are those words which describes a noun. Okay, adjectives are those words which describes a noun. In French, we have a lot of exceptional cases and we have gender specification. So masculine singular से आप feminine singular में जाओगे. First rule, आप masculine singular से feminine singular में जाते हो, you are gonna add e at the end of the word to get its feminine singular form. For example, petit, petite, which means small. Second rule we read was that if a word is already ending with e in masculine singular form, as we have exceptional cases, so any word in case which is ending with e in the masculine singular form, once you convert that to feminine singular form, you're not gonna add an extra e. The word will remain same. Again, if there is a word in masculine singular form which is already ending with e, when you convert that to feminine singular form, you're not gonna add an extra e to it. The word will remain same. This was the second rule. Now the third rule says if there is a word in masculine singular form which is ending with eau, अब आप उसको feminine में convert करोगे तो you are gonna drop eau and instead you are gonna apply e-double-l-e to get its feminine singular form. For example, beau, which is handsome, मैं feminine में convert करूंगी तो I'm gonna drop eau and instead I'm gonna apply e-double-l-e. तो beau का bell हो जाएगा, which is beautiful. Okay. Fourth rule says that some irregular adjectives are made feminine by doubling the final consonant and adding an e. So this is actually the exceptional वाला case, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे irregular adjectives हैं जिसमें हम masculine singular में अपने last consonant को double time करेंगे और फिर e apply करेंगे to get its feminine singular form. So this is an exceptional table which you really need to learn. Bon, bonne, which is good, ancien, ancienne, which means ancient, and so on. Then we have another thing. Whenever we want to go from singular to plural, we just have to apply s at the end of the word. Mans, mans, grow, grow. We are just applying s at the end of the word to get its plural form. Next rule says if there is a word which is already ending with s or x in the singular form, once you convert that to plural form, you are not going to add an extra s or x. The word will remain same. For example, épais, épais, thick. Muave, muave, which is bad. Got it? And the last rule says any word which is ending with eau in singular form, whenever you convert that word to plural form, you are not going to apply s to get its plural form. Instead, you are going to apply x, like beau, beau, handsome. Nouveau, nouveau, which is new. Am I clear? Any doubt? So
Ma'am, nouveau means new.
new, yes, new. Okay. Any doubt? All okay? So this is the list for les adjectifs like grand, grande, which is tall or big, petit, petite, which is small, épais, épais, which is thick, mince, mince, which is thin or slim, gros, gros, which is fat, ancien, ancien, which is old or ancient, nouveau, nouvelle, which is new, jeune, jeune, which is young, vieux, viel, which is old, gentil, gentil, which is kind or nice. Then méchant, méchante, which is naughty. Amiable, amiable, which is lovable. Then long, long, which is long. Court, court, which is short. Intéressant, intéressante, which is interesting. A horse, which is happy. Oh, I missed one. And New Year, and New Year's, which is boring. Triste, triste, which is sad. Sympathique, sympathique, which is friendly. Antipathique, antipathique, which is unfriendly. Souriant, souriante, which is cheerful. Haut, hot, which is high. Bas, basse, which is low. Large, large, which is wide. Then formidable, formidable, which is wonderful. Then we have stupid, which is bête, bête. Then we have fort, which is strong. ठीक है? Clear? अब हमें जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज लर्न करनी है वो है प्लेसमेंट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स, कि भाई एडजेक्टिव लगेगा कहाँ. दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. ये तो आपने कर लिया, अब एडजेक्टिव लगेगा कहाँ. So let's come to the very important topic, which is la position des adjectifs, the position of adjectives. Now, in this topic, la position des adjectifs, we'll assume that we have a noun in between. ठीक है, we have a noun in between. अब हमें learn करना है कि उससे पहले क्या आएगा, which is before, और यही noun है उसके बाद क्या आएगा, which is after, après. ठीक है, avant is before, après is after. अब नाउन से पहले क्या चीजें आती है, नाउन से पहले आता है द शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव्स आर प्लेस्ड बिफोर द नाउन. सो वी हैव अ बैग्स कैटेगरी. नाउ बैग्स रेफर टू बी एज ब्यूटी, एज एज ए एज एज, जी एज गुडनेस एंड एस एज साइज. तो जहां पर भी ब्यूटी, एज, गुडनेस और साइज की बात होगी, वो वाले सारे एडजेक्टिव्स आपके नाउन से पहले आएंगे. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्यूटी में जैसे बो, जोली, बेल, ले एक्सेट्रा. एज में जैसे वियर, जन, नूवो, एंसिया एक्सेट्रा. गुडनेस में bon, meilleur, mauvais, gentil, vrai, faux, etc. And then size में if we are talking about grand, petit, gros, mince, gros, bas. अगर ये सारी चीजों की बात हो रही होगी विच इज शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव्स, तो हम इसको अपने नाउन से पहले प्लेस करेंगे. वी आर गोना प्लेस इट बिफोर द नाउन. Par exemple, c'est un nouveau bâtiment. It's a new building. Now, इसके अंदर मेरा नाउन क्या है? What is my noun here?
Batimo.
Correct. Bâtiment is my noun. अब मैं bâtiment से पहले प्लेस करूंगी nouveau. Okay, because I'm saying this is a new building. तो new की बात हो रही है. New will come under the category of age. तो age किस में आ रहा है आपका? वो आपका bags वाली कैटेगरी में फॉल कर रहा है, तो इसलिए हम उसको नाउन से पहले प्लेस करेंगे. C'est un nouveau bâtiment. It's a new building. Okay. Second example we have elle a un petit enfant. She has a small child. अब इसके अंदर नाउन क्या है मेरा? Enfant. Enfant, which is a child. अब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि small child, तो small आ गई बात, small size की बात हो रही है. It will fall under the category of bags, and we are gonna place it before our noun. Elle a un petit enfant. She has a small child. Am I clear? Can you give me some examples for this? नाउन से पहले जब हम कोई एडजेक्टिव प्लेस कर सके. गिव मी सम एग्जांपल, बेसिक एग्जांपल, एनी वन ऑफ यू ट्राई. ट्राई. कैसा आद्या?
C'est une jolie robe.
करेक्ट. C'est une jolie robe. C'est une jolie robe. It's a pretty dress. Correct. It's a pretty dress. Now here again, robe is my noun, which is dress. And उससे पहले मैंने लगाया jolie, which is pretty. अब pretty किस में आ गया? We are talking about beauty. That will be c'est une jolie robe. Perfect. Another example, anyone? Try.
Il y a une grande maison.
Very good. Il y a une grande maison. Il y a une grande maison. There is a big house. Now, if you see, house is my noun here, which is maison. और उससे पहले मैंने grand लगाया है because grand again comes to the which category? Size वाली category. तो वो again bags वाली category में fall हो गया, तो इसलिए हम maison से पहले grand को place करेंगे. Perfect. Anyone else who wants to try?
Can I try?
Yes, please.
C'est a grand chat.
C'est un grand chat. Okay. It's a big cat. C'est un grand chat. It's a big cat. Right. Again, chat is a noun here. और noun से पहले हमने place करा है grand. Because again, grand is used referring to size, falls into the category of bags. Am I clear? Any doubt, anyone in this topic? No? C'est clair? Oui?
Oui, madame.
Okay, très bien.
Right.
Now let's learn what will be placed after the noun. अब noun के बाद क्या चीजें place होंगी? So after noun, we are going to place three things, which is colors, nationalities, and forms and shapes will be placed after the noun. Okay, again, colors, nationality, and forms will be placed after the noun. For example, here, let's see the example. C'est une voiture rouge. This is a red car. तो अब कलर की बात हो गई. कार मेरा नाउन है. कलर आ रहा है रूज विच इज रेड. That will be placed after the noun. C'est une voiture rouge. Now, second, adjectives of nationality. C'est un homme italien. This is an Italian man. Again, homme is my noun. Italien उसके बाद आया because Italia is again referring to nationality. So it will be placed after the noun. All right. Third, we have talking about shapes or forms. That will also be placed after the noun. Par exemple, elle a le visage rond. She has a round face. So again, visage is my noun. And मैं यहाँ पे shape की बात कर रही हूँ, तो shape will be placed after the noun, which is rond. Ça va? C'est clair?